Hello, this is a video to show you how to give access to your LinkedIn campaign manager as well as your LinkedIn page. So for the LinkedIn campaign manager, you log into the campaign manager /accounts, and then you're going to go in account settings on the left, manage access, and here you can add users. So these users have to be part of your LinkedIn, otherwise you can just add them in here. Once you're done with that, you can make sure that you select account manager. Otherwise, we won't be able to connect everything from there. And once you're good with this, you can click on your company page here or log in through your LinkedIn and then go to your company page. You go in admin tools, manage admins. And when you're here, you can add an admin. You can say content admin as opposed to super admin, so we cannot remove anybody, but we can access everything from there. Thank you very much.